Bub.
What? I'm not going to go see Bub yet. I'm not going out there now.
Bub, you want to go get Bub right now? Why you want to go get Bub right now? He's probably gonna put Isabella in bed and go night night. Bub, let's go get him. Go get him. You can call him again and tell him to come get you. Let's go.
Woo, she wants you fast. Where are you going? You don't know? Bub?
You gonna get Bubba? You gonna get him? He's gonna come see you in 2 weekends.
Mama.
What? We're not going to Bub's.
Mama.
What? You want me to hold you? Why? Where are we going? No. No, no. Bubba? No. He's coming to your birthday, baby. We can't go back out there now. Why not? Does it sound like... You said why not? Tell Jessica to take you out there.
Huh? What'd you say? Outside.
Get your feet out your nose, nasty. Ew, I got you on video. You nasty ass. Ew, you're the one doing it. You man. You stop. You stop.
Fishing pole.
You know it's dark over there. I can't read.